Okay, welcome to SST class. This is another video of the explanation video of class 5th SST chapter number 8. Look, this is chapter number 8, respecting regional differences. Okay, the introduction part, this paragraph, Andaman and Nicobar Island we have finished. Okay, in another video, art and architecture also finished. Okay, food habit also finished, the first video. Then now from dress. From dress here, in earlier time the tribes did not wear clothes. Look, these are the earlier people. They were not wearing the wearing clothes. Earlier people, the Sentinelese tribe does not wear clothes even now. Today also the Sentinelese tribe are okay, are not wearing clothes even now. The Sampan use cloth only below their waist. Sampan tribe, they are using clothes only below their waist, कमर से नीचे यूज करते हैं. But many tribes have now started wearing clothes, but nowadays is so much important. The tribes are just coming to enter in the mainstream society, and they are practicing to wear different clothes, different okay, practicing to habit different food habit and live in different climate region. Now the day is improving the of the tribes. Okay, so Jarabos, one of the another tribes, Jorabos, use a lot of jewelry. Jorabos, they were using a lot of jewelry, and every group of tribes have their unique identity, unique traits. So we should respect them. We should let them to conserve their culture, their okay beauty, and their costume and tradition. So they are wearing, means Jarabos are a lot of jewelry wearing to add on their bodies, their necklace are waist band arms made of cells and bark trees they are making. So religions, okay, these were the dresses of the tribe of different tribe group. So look, this is the religion, dharma, religion. The religion of the inhabitant of Andaman and Nicobar Island is called the animism. Animism. The tribes believe that in earlier times their deity known as Palaga, Paluga, deity is known as Paluga, resided resided the highest mountain peak of the Andaman and Nicobar Island, the Saddle Peak, uh, the Peak. But now the deity live in higher of the sky, higher of the sky. The followers of animes believe in the soul, ghost, and spirit. The followers animes are their belief on ghost और स्पिरिट, भूत और आध्यात्मिकता को वो विश्वास करते हैं. Those who are living in Andaman and Nicobar Island, they are following the animism religion. Their religion is animism. The tribes believe in that earlier time that deity was Paluga, resided at the highest mountain peak of the Andaman Nicobar Island, the Saddle Peak. But now the deity living higher up in the sky. They're thinking that deity is living in sky, uh, and the followers of animism believe in soul, Atma, uh, ghost, bhoot, and spirit, आत्मा विश्वास, आध्यात्मिकता के ऊपर. Okay, they're believing. Now many people follow Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, Buddhism. Many people of India following Islamism, Hinduism, uh, Christianity, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Now the time is changing. Okay, these are the religion many people are following in Andaman and Nicobar, like Islam, religion, Hindu religion, Christianity, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism, all the things. Then dance and dance and music of the Andaman Nicobar is inhabitant. Look here, the islanders celebrate most Indian festivals like Andaman. They are also celebrating most important and most Indian festival like Durga Puja, Pangal, Panguni, Uthiram, Onam, uh, Shivaratri, Janmashtami, Holi, Diwali, Christmas, and Good Friday with dance and music. Nicobarese dance is the traditional dance of Andaman and Nicobar. It can be seen during the Oseri feast. Okay, Nicobarese dance is seen in the or during the Osori festive, commonly known as the Peak Festival. Osori festive is Osori festi, feast is known as the Peak Festival of the Andaman and Nicobar Island. And okay, the Nicobarese dance. This is the seen in Osori feast. Andamanese are fond of their traditional music. Dancer move gracefully to music and song of the okay Ongi tribe. Ongi tribe dancer move gracefully the music and song. Okay, both music and song they are gracefully organizing and performing, and this is famous in the of the Ongi tribe. Ongi tribe. Okay, Ongi tribe. Then next languages. The most common language in Andaman and Nicobar Island are Hindi, English. Today, people also speak Bengali, Tamil, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Punjabi, Marathi, Kannada, then Odia, Gujarati, and Karen. The Karen language has a Burmese script. Karen language is the Burmese script and alphabet. Alphabet. The tribes have their own dialects. Dialects. Only the Nicobarese dialect has a script of its own. Otherwise, many languages are okay uh, from others. So, do you know here the harmonious blend of the different religions, languages, and ethnic group has made the Andaman and Nicobar Island famous in okay famous. This is like mini India. Okay, so Andaman and Nicobar Nicobar people they are practicing many languages like Hindi English today, and they were also speaking and at present also speaking Bengali, Hindi, Telugu, Malayalam, Punjabi, Tamil, Marathi, Kannadi, Odia, Gujarati, Karen languages has the Burmese languages. So how they are speaking in India? At least three languages every people they know. Okay, three languages like mother tongue and Hindi English, and many people are there trying to know different languages. So five language, six language they are trying to know, because India is the vast country. Around 1600 languages, 1632 languages are here in our India. 1600, you just think 1632 languages are in our India, and many person they are trying to know the various languages, and showing themselves as the greater okay that is intellectual, knowing the languages and showing himself and herself as the intellectual, and this should be happen. Then Rajasthan. This is Rajasthan is the favorite destination of Indian as well as foreign tourists. They are attracted to its colorful history, beautiful art, architecture, folk music, dances, handicraft. Jaipur is the capital city, is famous as the pink city. Jaipur is the known as the pink city, is known as the Jaipur. You have to recall this thing, pink city. Okay, this is famous in Jaipur. Then art and architecture of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is dotted with the innumerable forts, innumerable forts, palaces, havelis, and stepwells. They are a great attraction for tourists for all over the world. The building have a huge courtyards, gardens, corridors, uh, Jharkas, corridor, okay, gardens, courtyards. This is famous in Rajasthan. The use of red stone, marble, inlay, and filigree work and beauty to the buildings. The wall, most buildings are decorated with the beautiful painting. Look, this is the lake palaces, Udaipur, Hava Mahal, Jaipur, looking so nice and beautiful. Hava Mahal. And food habit of Rajasthan. The cuisine of Rajasthan is mainly depend on pulses, bean, gram. Okay, spices. It was difficult to grow vegetable in the desert due to scarcity of water. Okay, so in food habit, this is Rajasthan. We have the desert, that is third desert. Third desert is famous in India and located in Rajasthan. And due to a desert, people are okay producing the pulses, bean, gram, spices. It was difficult to grow a vegetable. Okay, here difficult to grow vegetables like okay in desert, so that what they can produce, that is the limited crops uh, they're producing due to scarcity of water. Hence, the traditional dishes like uh, get ki kadi, sir, gatti ki kadi, pakodi, pakodi, dal batti, churma are the best. Chana, horse gram, pulses, but now fresh vegetables, fruits, and other items are grown in Rajasthan as okay, canal supply sufficient water for irrigation. Canal supply sufficient water for irrigation, and the food habit of the people are here are changing now due to the irrigation supply of water. The food habit of the people of Rajasthan now going to change, and it must be welcome. Most people in Rajasthan are vegetarians. Vegetarian, all the Rajput. Okay, the Rajput warrior hunted and enjoy a variety of non-vegetarian dishes. Okay, non-vegetarian dishes. Do you know khud खरगोश खरगोश है ना, खरगोश और रेबिट खरगोश, खुद खरगोश, rabbit meat cooked in a pit is a famous Rajput specialty. And dresses. The dyer of Rajasthan are master in the art of tie and dye. Tie and dye. The colorful dresses made. This is the tie and dye. Tie and dye. Okay, and made from the bandhini lehar lehriya. Bandhini, lehriya, motra are world famous. There is a great demand for Rajasthani घाघरास, ओढ़नीस, Rajasthani घाघरास, ओढ़नीस, and cholis with a embroidery, block printing, mirror, gota work. The Rajasthani men wear traditional dresses like dhoti, banda, and the angrakshak. Angrakshak. This is the famous dresses of Rajasthan. Look here, style of wearing a turban, different style of trying turbans are followed in the Rajasthan. And this is religion. A religion, the Hindu worship God Agni, Vishnu, Varuna, then Sun, Shiv, Goddess Shakti. Many people Rajasthan many people in Rajasthan follow Jainism, Christianity, Islam. So many people are following Jainism, Christianity, Islam, and the god like for Hindu, God Agni, Vishnu, Varuna, Sun, Shiv, and goddess Shakti. They celebrated a variety of festivals like Tej, uh, Gangor, Diwali, Dasara, Christmas, Eid, etc. These are the festival. Okay, Tej, Gangor, Diwali, Dasara, Christmas, Eid are the and many more festivals they are celebrating and famous in Rajasthan. This is Jainism, Christianity, Islam, famous in Rajasthani people following these religions. Do you know here? The famous Burma temple, Pushkar, shrine of Sufi saint Khwaja Mainuddin Chishti Ajmer, attract a pilgrim from all over the world. And this is the Brahma temple, Pushkar. Brahma temple, अच्छा Brahma temple Pushkar. Brahma temple Pushkar, looking like Brahma, and the Khwaja Mainuddin Chishti. This is one of the masjid like. Okay, then dance and music. Rajasthani celebrate life with a music and dance. The song of poets like Kabir, song and music also famous in Rajasthan, and this is like the song uh, of poet like Kabir, uh, Maluk Das, Maluk Das, Kabir, Maluk Das, then Mira are an important part of the folk music of Rajasthan. Some Rajasthani community like Bhats, Charans, Bhopas, Dholis are famous musician. Bhatta, sorry, Bhats, Charans, Bhopas, Dholis are famous musicians. The popular dances of Rajasthan are Ghumar, Chori, Ghumar, Chari, Kachi Ghodi, Ghumar, Chari. This is the popular dance of Rajasthan. Bhats of Rajasthan dance, and this is the Ghumar dance of Rajasthan. Ghumar dance of Rajasthan. And languages of Rajasthan. The main languages of Rajasthan is Hindi, but many dialects of Hindi are spoken here, like Marwari. Okay, Marwari language, Mewati, Dhundari, etc. These are the language. Marwari, Mewati, Dhundari, etc. These are the languages, practices, and spoken by Rajasthani people. Isn't it wonderful to have such a variation in one country? Isn't it wonderful to have such a variety or variation in one country? And respect our regional differences is an integral part of Indian heritage. So we believe in the unity in diversity. We believe in the national integration. We should respect to each other. We should adapt to other festive culture, tradition, custom, and respect them. Then definitely it will develop the harmony and peace in the society, and we live in happy. And this thing will this variation also the greatness and proudness of the nation in as compared to the all over the world. So we are happy and proud to be to be an Indian, and it's a wonderful variation in our country. We believe in the respect. We believe in harmony, peace, and we believe in the unity in diversity. So this is too much the explanation video. I've completed chapter number 8, respecting regional differences. Okay, next video I'll make the exercise okay, on exercise question and answer. So till then, thank you and have a nice day. Okay, bye bye.